Ade me cultural exam. Me say mo be chimi na me so. Na me fa excuse so ya chimi me try.
Now the copper jollof food.
After they allow me to go and write the exams. Oh, everyone gives me that.
Me person me hwe cry cause we Jimmy dodo. But I was say ye kan nyansa asem kire no. Se Jimmy no e ya doso. Bra hospital bi awokwa protocols wo ho. What you see? And I believe so wontumi nko hospital na onka say waban na abenti. Wadan for any accident nti yenja obi obeto no no. Near measure. I don't think it work like that. Baby anywhere ye adwuma. Bra aya na Ghana fo bi so life si omo so na brochire hospital niema ye free eye ntro. Omo nka no kra na nkyere mo. Eye ntro. She wa frɛ 911 na omaba ofi. Na wa bebie sabisa wanu asem na o ma take you blood pressure wo vitals ni bibia na ansa na omo de obekọ no bra ye ku koduru ho. Emfa ho so ma o papa ye doctor, wo ye nurse, wo ye hwan. Wo beda structure so be ye te 30 minutes ansa na register na be register o abema wo number. Me boa aspiring wa ha onka no kren.
America.
Aspiring busa
can I come in for 2 minutes?
Yes,
there is something called the ABCs: airway, breathing, and circulation.
Yeah.
Right? So Bana say when you're dislocated shoulder, now airway, yeah, no be asthmatic, you know, no home tear. Or no beja cry now, no near beheno. You might not understand what is going on. So, and to know what can no ya do ba. Better stretch and like the emergency room there. Obian hope so emergency room crowd. Because of how
emergency room no airtime what right the voice airtime. Sometimes ebia wonpo no patient no wan fat say diaper ni bibia oja ne nan good enye easy bra enye easy sa enti ema ya nye te say da bra Ghana de ehwo ye ball abi o sankura se de na be wan ne koye hospital ho no e wo so omo chem one doctor patient confidentiality we break sa contrast wutimi koso life e wo hospital si wo so na patient na da ho no wo di camera to manim nurses no ada wuntimi wo camera na bia do be from na wo kasa na ento omo so kwa ye different ye ja ba mu wa we utimi ko parliament house no koye video twetwa nkrofo video na wadi omo fo na okọ obi anya ne hwe because Ralph say oye say freedom fighter oye Jimmy fighter oye yi sa yi baku yo wo yi Cote d'Ivoire ne fan just say Jimmy lesa I was at a hospital one almost shin na so almost shin no a bra nko obi anya obi baby and security for na omo gina ho no I was see you omadi because they are not there to protect the patient and now some wo say
maybe so our mo so no security men no pick people who are like, is it about your physical strength or is it about what security no I'm thinking it's supposed to be about your physical strength and
no there be obi kura na fuso won say aha no emra eye adwuma bra obi a na fuso kura wo je ahome ye kura wu eye security but wo bedu ho no ye best scan no what you say nti see scan no na so wo wura mu ye odu phone be wura mu all right odu phone be wura mu all right but untimi nkonkoji because camera bobo ho I hwe de wo ye ni na so wo aha and the security no we 1 2 dede mi ensape oba be catch us pia abonten if you kasa de dede wo phone so oba kasa we ne kwa abonten ne koye ne nicest way so what am I say enti I to say minim sa ban papa na abani nti na bia jimie no ewura boy ni tiri motumi di wura hospital ho no but nan come expect say hospital administrator no should have come out and then catch and said the warrior na enye to the sense we tinya kwa bonus
policemen with guns were there
bra policemen with guns sir so I'm on police for no so ma compromise on ho de joma jimi I classify them as fools what am I say men change sign and I mean I'm a car so you can distance yourself from it.
I'm not distancing myself. Me,
yes.
I move say yes, Ruana.
Debbie. Since you know, we be someone here because the police have already compromised themselves, like the same as journalists. Wahum. Aha. Enti, mentia say policeman with a gun. Obi aba hospital was so life the scene so. Share patient. It could be say, if your patient be poor bra, ne ho jira na na say o menopausal symptoms be a. Wonya sa hit a yi na bi wo yi ne ho a. Na kwasia we aba be hu obi nude picture. What you say? Mujai ne mani ko free man shina sum mani kakantu mu shina sum na ne si 2 ya komukwa kodu fie ne na me hu yeso say blood na de obi so ne moja
Sir, some market women told me, say, bra NDC winning election. Say, a fan kwa brochire eko chili no kakra.
oh enu de so ba America ha eni ka bin tell akra be twa picture breast na na follow mo te be twa picture aha enti pinje so so ba ha no anko yi anti aha me so so ba ha no anko bi ena wanko wura ho so anko hu because ha wontimi nyi ne nkwase asem no ne jama hama ne post ne erechi wo Ghana pa o tra border so ko Singapore no enu ba bia wachi ase okosere enti ono wo ye nobody ena wafa nobody sinso e parody na ho ena omudi nsamfun because I don't see the reason why abra sadi we besi wo ba bia hospital administrator and cash work akobu nurse ni bra e wo so chana nurse for no mudi omda de egu form obi ankwa adwuma omo da patient we de mesre ebi nso no obi yalefo bi da ho yesere mo mamu ni kwasie yachi because bia na patient bi nso hia moa
what do you say about this on the screen?
Collection of unpaid nurses and midwives demand payment of 7 months salary. Bra, Miss Ade we de me kwa me bon se ma John Mahama se mo ntua. Mun kan che John Mahama se me wona afa. Why? Se wi ase wo hu obi turu kohwe nko a yenturi ni kohwe wu. It is about time say e kan sem a kire Ghana fo. Say Mahama is a whole hwi ni mu. This Mahama that he is coming is incompetent. This Mahama that is coming, he is a deceiver. This Mahama that is coming, Oyobia, he is indecisive. Guy be to her minimum. Guy be picture Pio her minimum. It looks like brown money. Yeah. I know this the guy be not one.
Wow, sure.
The voice.
Why asking? But tell me about why. Can I finish and come in?
Sir Mahama na waban. Bra. Now what abaya what kind of twajom?
Some of the guys no need. Rough.
Ragamuffin rascal no. I no wonder it could be said they went for robbery and they were shot. Yes. It's true. It could be they went for robbery and they were shot, but one kind of correct. One say, side motorbike cyclist no. Bra, omunya accident papa. No mu Kwasi ewu so pa. So what you say? Thinking said the road is for them, even though you are supposed to share the motor and the road with them, no. No time bia no person maneuver on way until omu Kwasi ewu. Aha. Ya catch the necessary no. Catch teachers. They said they want a baby. Obi awakwa was so san person san ye dey a baby. And this man koto Nkwasi aba. Na so onja na onchia me fam ho bebra. When ya dia me be cry for you. There be cry your own cry. Next time no see ye ka asamo kire wo a wo be sie nyansa because enye first time Mahama abani Mahama came with doom so Mahama see a charge your phone bebre enti bra yenchia your friends a light bulb bebre na yenchi o ma ye light ye chia yen so a wa ma ye light Mahama kuro ya like say ya extra no asesa na no ama sama ndwom nim se ba na nche ni college for na yetwa na ntwena mo ne eya mom dog meat ya mom no mo wi ebubom egu na na ado so ene muna mon kwanye ne ani nsuo say yin onyame obechia mo ka bio next time so bi tu ko hwe nkwa wontuni ko hwe wo you will learn how to be gratitude and not ingratitude Mahama menhwia mekom ni wo me say 4 years no mamu de boba akosala what the voice ni nyame
pay them back. I don't think MPP government is that type. The man be see na
have become.
I just want to say something a little bit about the friend is Ralph, not the other video no, and I think so when I saw it was very disgusting.
But you are forgetting about you also forgetting about the coalition of nurses who have not been paid for the past 7 months too.
Oh, and talk not about nurses. Talk not about nurses. No,
Oh, they go ahead.
they're just ungrateful. Yeah, I mean it's your mocha. I've been a health worker back home in Ghana. Previously used to be Volta region, now Oti region. I was a record assistant, medical record assistant. There was a time there is this lady who came for treatment, not a diabetic. Now, the folder now we usually call it Bible folder. A reshape woman folder and just about 3 days into how to locate the folder and that is very difficult because by then electronic system anyhow. But now health insurance claim department. Until we gave her just a single card. Send a baby and the condition I doctor bear attending to lady, you know. Now you're finding the folder now you're command doctor. Just one card now for a blue a card na the man with one folder say be on found attending for emergency treatment. You know. It resolved in a whole problem. Escalated to the extent and doctor Kraso here because woman not a diabetic. And I will say follow the previous records and so when who say be a draw the man and M1 and I said draw man and a course no assistant at Bruno. But here the if you say a yana papa. And a two a rough nipa no mudi nipa hospital na at that moment no na a emergency no odibaya obi a yedina odi obiaba for emergency treatment. At that moment no he was able to bring out his phone to do recording. Obi a odi obiaba emergency. At that moment no ube kai said who carry phone cry home. Third, our security system in Ghana, our health, is very poor. You will not even get access to baby or mama nipa treatment.
So let me ask you. But maybe so assembly. Can I ask you a question? Uba Ghana ha.
Of course.
Uba Ghana ha. Most of the time, when you see a security man, is sometimes Obia or your papa penny out. Maybe he has retired somewhere with no strength at all. Is that the same thing that happens outside the country when you travel?
Yeah, it doesn't matter. Whether I say we are old. As far as I would the answer say, okay, your money pan to me say, okay, before we buy, you have to show an ID. What trust this level at Nipa ba koyaro for 9 years. Me ma ko emergency crime matna o ama manya treatment ma san kofie. Me hwe me situation is a emergency o. Nanso na obi de eche me. Say ambulance and e di wa ba na treat wa forget about what there no. Me tena me hwe na say I was getting a little bit better na me kofie. Security no as a Ghana you can be a security you
can stay there for over 6 hours in the emergency waiting.
Yes, some people even say for UK and all.
As far as when uniform person in Ghana, you empower your trade and our politics. I take it over because ya buy naba. Me ya enkwesiaga. Ralph Nana can say he want to be a citizen, not a spectator. No, this kind of behavior, does it make him a citizen? It's very, very bad. And obi so can't best sing say ya buying back. Obebumpire say we should pay them back. I don't think MPP government is that type. The demand be here now.
Okay, we have become.